Hello friend. So hello friend, today I will teach you IIoT programming. So let's see. Okay, let's see how we write the for loop program in MATLAB. And also actually MATLAB is also useful for IoT things, Internet of Things. Okay, so let's see how we can write for loop. For loop we required, when we used for loop in simple C, at that time we required first expression, second expression and third expression. In first expression we required to initialize that value, or we given some values to the some variable. Then second expression is we required to write the some conditions, and third is increment or decrement the value till the it will not reach their condition. Okay, so how it is, just we can see how it is. Okay, so this is a flow chart as we see in if loop. Okay, so first initialization, then condition. As I said, if condition is true, then next will be executed, otherwise false. So then statement, then increment or decrement. Okay, if any one of them is false, then condition will be ended. So let's see one example. Here is one example. Hash include studio.h. I was told you about the studio.h. Studio.h is a library which is used for printing or scanning the number. Okay, so int main is the function, so we can use void main rather than int main. But if you are used void main, at that time you didn't require to return any value, but when you used int main, then you must require to return some values. Then int, they initialize I is equal to 0. Okay, here is if we used some for loop after that, so we here is not required to directly initialize here, but they initialize. So for loop I is equal to 1 means loop is started from 1. Then what happen, if the i's value is less than equal to 10, then this condition will be executed, means this curly bracket will be executed from this to this, means they print the number of I, and value will be incremented by 1 till the value is greater than 10. If the value is greater than 10, then the loop will be false and it will be ended. So let's see how it will be executed. Just copy this. Okay. Let's see now. Click on run button. Okay, so here is printing 1 by 1 values till 10, means it will first take I is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 is less than 10. Yeah, yes, of course is less than 10, so it prints I value means 1. Then I is incremented by 1, then it goes to second number. Okay, I after the incrementation 2 is less than equal to 10. Yes, so 2 is printed. Then I plus plus means I is incremented by 1, then 3, then 4, similarly up to 10. When it goes to 11 is not lesser than 10, so the loop is ended. Got it? The same thing in MATLAB, how you can write the loop, same thing you can write in MATLAB, just the smaller difference is when you use for, then index is equal to, you can write the values, then program statement and end. Rather than the curly bracket, we require to write the end. Okay, so let's see example. Here PR is equal to 0, for k is equal to, they define the value. If I is prime, means they are given some prime numbers value. So prime is in bracket k, means this k is value. So they put the k value in PR, which is we initialize the 0. So after that the k's value is written in that PR. Then they display the number. Then they write the prime for coding for the prime number. So here is m is equal to PR into 10. That means they are first initialize the value, gives the condition, and what they did, multiply by 10. Display m, end, break. This end for this for loop, this end for this if loop, and this end for this for loop. Got it? Thank you so much for listening my lecture. This is an result. Okay, thank you so much for listening.